the purpose of the Chrome history could be different. It could be privacy, or it could, let's say, speeding up your Chrome browser. So in any case, you can do that just about a minute. First of all, you need to open the Chrome browser, and then you make sure that you are signed the right account for which you want to delete. Next, click three vertical dots, and from the drop down menus, go and look for this history. In the history, you will see the recent searches here, but you need to ignore it and click this first option. It will open up a new window where towards left side you will see a bar. In that bar, you hear the option delete browsing data. You need to click that. It is going to open a new. In this screen, you will see this pop-up bar which says delete browsing data, and here you can execute that by time range. The default option is last hour. You can select last 24 hours, 7 hours, 4 weeks, or all the time, meaning by whatever the time I select here, it is going to delete my browsing trees and other sites and caches and files. But in case you don't want to do any of, you can uncheck that. Anyways, once you select all the settings, time and options, click data, and it will do say that the selected data has from Chrome and sync device. Now, one thing more before you leave, if I go here, you can see there is advanced option. Also, the advanced option have the option of deleting sign-in data, passwords, autofill form, site setting, and hosted app data. You can look for yourself whether you want to go that deep or not. But for most of users, I think it is going to this basic level where you select time and then these options and click data.